Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of beetroot. Get ready to be amazed by the goodness beetroot has in store for us, and how it can elevate your well-being to new heights. We are going to explore the incredible health benefits of this colorful superfood that has been cherished for centuries. First up, let's talk about blood pressure regulation. Beetroot is a fantastic source of nitrates, which work wonders by dilating our blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow and ultimately helping to lower blood pressure. Now, let's dive into its impact on heart health. Those same nitrates that boost our blood flow also play a crucial role in supporting heart health, reducing the risk of heart disease, and enhancing overall cardiovascular function. Studies suggest that the compounds in beetroot may help lower LDL cholesterol levels, commonly known as bad cholesterol, promoting a healthier heart profile. The nitrates in beetroot are converted into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps widen blood vessels, increasing oxygen and nutrient delivery to your heart and muscles. Better circulation, better heart health. Boost your brain power with beetroot. Beetroot's nitrate content plays a significant role in increasing nitric oxide production. This magical molecule enhances blood flow to the brain, improving oxygen and nutrient delivery, which can lead to sharper cognitive function and mental agility. Rich in antioxidants like betalains, beetroot helps protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are crucial factors in maintaining long-term cognitive health. What's more, preliminary studies suggest that beetroot consumption may have a positive impact on memory and learning abilities, making it a natural ally in boosting your brain's potential. Need an energy pick-me-up? Beetroot is the answer. Packed with natural sugars and carbohydrates, it provides a natural and sustained energy boost to keep you going strong throughout the day. Did you know beetroot is a nutrient powerhouse? Beetroot is bursting with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports immune function, skin health, and collagen production. This superfood is rich in essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron. These minerals play vital roles in maintaining heart health, supporting muscle function, and promoting blood health. What's more, beetroot is a fantastic source of folate, a B vitamin essential for cell division, DNA synthesis, and promoting a healthy pregnancy. It's the key to overall well-being. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Exercise enthusiasts, listen up. Beetroot's nitrates may work wonders on your muscles. By improving muscle oxygenation during exercise, it can enhance stamina and reduce fatigue, allowing you to conquer your fitness goals with ease. But that's not all. Beetroot also cares for your blood health. Beetroot is a fantastic source of iron, a crucial mineral that aids in the production of red blood cells. Incorporating beetroot into your diet can help prevent iron deficiency anemia and keep your energy levels up. The nitrates in beetroot have been linked to improved blood vessel function, leading to better blood flow and regulated blood pressure. A natural way to support your cardiovascular system. The iron and folate in beetroot support the synthesis of hemoglobin, the protein responsible for transporting oxygen in the blood. Boost your hemoglobin levels and fuel your body with oxygen. Let's not forget about digestion. Beetroot's fiber content is a friend to your digestive system, promoting healthy digestion and keeping things running smoothly. Detoxification, anyone? Beetroot contains betalains, powerful compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which help your body detoxify and rid itself of harmful substances. Beetroot's detoxifying properties are especially beneficial for your liver, the body's primary detox organ. It assists the liver in breaking down and eliminating toxins, promoting optimal liver function. The diuretic properties of beetroot can support kidney function by promoting urine production, assisting in the elimination of waste products and excess fluids. Let's talk beauty. Beetroot can do wonders for your skin. The vitamin C it offers promotes collagen production, which means glowing and radiant skin for days. Beetroot is rich in antioxidants like betalains, which help combat free radicals and protect your skin from premature aging and damage. The detoxifying properties of beetroot aid in eliminating toxins from your body, which can result in a clearer complexion and reduced occurrence of breakouts. Last but not least, For all the fitness enthusiasts out there, beetroot juice may enhance your exercise performance. With improved oxygen utilization and reduced muscle fatigue, you'll be reaching new heights in your workouts. There you have it, folks, the incredible health benefits of beetroot. Embrace this vibrant and versatile superfood in your meals and experience the wonders it can do for your body and mind. Let beetroot become your everyday hero in the journey towards a happier, healthier you. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.